So my box came. Oh my goodness. Like, seeing this on the porch, I was like, oh, it's not that big. And now that it's down here, it's like freaking huge. Like, how do I not have a knife over here yet? I'm gonna have to find something to cut that open with. Alright. Hello everyone and welcome back. So in today's video I got my box. I think I messed up a little bit because I got an extra mini box and I was trying to get one of every box, but that's okay. I'll throw this at the beginning of this one. But today we're going to unbox the Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Deluxe box and see what we got in this box. I paid way more than I should for this box. It's for $100 and yeah, so let's just jump right in. So first, let me jump into this one. I did do one of these on my channel already. We'll see how similar it is to the other one that I got. Maybe I got different things. I don't know. So it looks like this on the inside. And I got the gloss in Mouthful, which I believe is the same exact color I got in my other one. So it's just, I always open these the wrong way. I know a lot of people like to keep their packaging, and I just ripped right into that. So sorry if that is triggering, but it's this gloss, and in this one is in Assets, which is not the color I got in this. I don't think. And this is a very green color, so that's cool. I think that's different than what I got. Just a different color. Same concept. It's exactly the same concept. So if anything is different, it's going to be the color. And of course, this is the surprise color for the special item in this, and it's a lippy thingy. I know I'm running through this, but it's a little bit browner than it looks, but it's a pretty color. And then, oh yeah, these are different too. So, and then the other one I got was Suck in an eyeshadow pan and Wealthy in an eyeshadow pan. So, I mean, the eyeshadows are different colors. So, I mean, it's not horrible. But that was, for the mini, was $25, I think. Yeah. So, let's just jump into this deluxe box now. I'm getting ready to move, and so these are the end of the trickling effect of this month. I do intend to take a month off. I just got to go on and cancel everything because I'm moving next month. So I want to give myself a good month to move. So I will be uploading videos and probably gaming videos until I get everything situated and our money comes in and we know where we stand. So the unboxings, I'll still have them, just not in the capacity that I have now. So in this box already, I can tell you there's a lot of little things. So there is another The Gloss in the color Beaded Glass. So that's neat that it's a different color. Hold on a minute. Okay. Let me open that up and see what the color is on that one. Oh, that one's a little bit sparkly. So they match. I mean, the other one actually is a little bit more pink. But they're both like this brownie color. And then there is a velour liquid lip. And I got this one in the shade No Offense. I wish that would just zoom when I tell it to zoom. Like, just focus. It's okay. I'm like the worst unboxer on YouTube, so it doesn't matter. And that is a very green color. No offense, kind of green. That's not bad. The next item, we'll wait for that one, is, ooh, I've never had one of these. These are his lip scrubs, and I got mine in the flavor pink grapefruit. And I've never tried one of these. In fact, this is the most exposure I've had to his makeup. There are reasons, but it's okay. The packaging's really cute, though. And I'll tell you something. If you've watched my spring unboxings of his mystery boxes, I'll tell you something. The ordering process for this one was way better. So. And I did these in like an afterpay because nobody got money like that. Nobody got money like that. And then I have 3 of the metal pan from eyeshadow palettes. So this is Extraction. This one is in Flourishing. And then this one is in Ice Tray. So that's nice. Alright, then I have a layer of tissue paper. Let's pull that out. Okay, so down at the bottom of this is the Z-Pan palette, which is going to come in handy because I got all these metal things. And then the infamous Star Ranch palette, which I've seen the color. It's not bad. It's not a palette. But it definitely is like a sunrise, sunset kind of palette, in theory. Like, you get your browns and your blues. We'll see how that goes. But I do like that. And there's excellent pigmentation, I can tell you that right now. The other item that's an exclusive in this one is the Bloodstain Lipstick, which I will pull that out. Let me get this last item out of here and make sure that we aren't missing anything fantastic, because I do know that they have this whole you could have a golden ticket type of thing. So I doubt I'll get one, but it never hurts to look. And the last thing it looks like I got was, I want to say this comes from that conspiracy thing, but it is the little makeup baggie with the pig from the conspiracy collection. Yep. So I'm not hurt. I'm not hurting. I'm not mad. I mean, it's excellent amount of product for what I paid for $100. I mean, most of his palettes run $40 to $50 anyway. So that's nice. And that's what I got. So let's gather it all back up. Oh, let's take out this tinted lip balm and show you guys. So this is what it comes in. And that is the shade, which is a really pretty shade. I think I've already swatched this on my last one. Maybe not, because I don't know if I got Bloodstain. Oh, no, I didn't. So we will swatch that one. And then I will pull up the other exclusive from the first palette, from the first box, and pull that on there. So you have the fuller lip and the Bloodstain stain side by side. They do match. And then with the palette, we're going to swatch a couple. We'll do Casper Mountain, because it's a really pretty light blue color, and Open Range, which is a pretty dark shimmery tone. And I will put those right by each other. So, and that's the eyeshadow palette. They're very pretty. Everything is very pretty. And this has a texture to it too. So it's nice. It's nice. But I did get a lot of stuff. So that's these 2 items and a lip stain and the palette and the 3 eyeshadows and the pan. That's all. And then it came with a little bag. So that's a lot of stuff. Oh, and this. So I feel like that's a lot of stuff that I got for that box. These pop up like every quarter. They do cost a lot of money and they do go fast. I actually was in line getting food with my stepsister when this went on live, and she's like laughing at me because I'm ordering them in line to get food. But that's what we do. I'm gonna cut this one a little short. I know that was probably way faster than you wanted to go through, but when I typically watch unboxings, I don't like a lot of like I want to see the product and go. So yeah, I have one more to film, and then I will start editing these. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day. Remember, it's a beautiful day, and I hurt your face.